Do you want a short workout that's really going to hit our inner and outer thighs, our glutes, our hips? Well, today's class is just for you. Hey friends, it's Kate here. Thanks so much for joining me today. Now I've got a short 10-minute bar class, but this one is really going to challenge our lower body. We're going to spend most of the class in a nice wide second position, which really means we'll strengthen our inner and outer thighs and work on keeping our abdominal muscles engaged while we keep our chest lifted. Really, this means we're going to hit the whole body in about 10 minutes. Your arms will probably get a little bit tired too if you keep them out the entire time like I am, but know you can set them down if need be. Go ahead, roll out your mat. Let's get started. Let's just start standing. Take your feet a little bit wider than your hips. Hands can come to your hips or down by your sides. Lift up and out of your waist, broaden across the chest. Take a big inhale. Dip your chin down to your chest, bend your knees. Roll all the way into a deep forward fold. Pause at the base of your forward fold, nod your head, shake a yes and no. Return to center, roll all the way up to standing. Take a big inhale, hands lift high. Exhale, flip the palms, press them down. Again, chin to chest, bend the knees, roll all the way down. Roll all the way back up. One more time, both hands up nice and high. A little bit different. Clasp the hands together. Go ahead and turn your right toe out. Lean over to the side. Point your toe forward again. Both hands lift high. Turn your left toe out. Clasp your hands together. Little side lunge. Come on up. Now, let's go ahead and turn both toes out. Before we go anywhere, think about squeezing your inner thighs towards one another. Every time we stand tall and straight here, it's like I'm trying to draw my inner thighs and my heels together. Hands can come to our hips, or we can take them off to the side, but I want us to do 5 big plies. Inhale, bend the knees, exhale, straighten the legs. Inhale, bend the knees, exhale, straighten the legs. 3 more down, exhale up. 2 more down, exhale up. Last one down, pause. Hold there in our nice wide second position. Think about your inner thighs reaching back behind you. Roll the shoulders down, open up across your chest. 5 times, lift your right heel up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, down. Left side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pause. Stand tall, 3 plies. Down, exhale, straighten. Down, squeeze the inner thighs together. Last one down, pause, belly button in. 3 times, lift your right heel. 3, 2, 1, left heel. 3, 2, 1, stand tall. Again, 3, 2, 1, pause, navel in, ears high. 3 times right heel. 3, 2, 1, left heel. 3, 2, 1, stand tall. 5 plies, down and up. Down and up. 3 more, down and up. Down and up. Last one and stay. 5, heel lefts, right side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, down, left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pause. Hold right there. Lift both heels high, set both heels low. Lift both heels high, set both heels low. 3, 2, lift, pause, keep the heels lifted. Straighten the legs, plie again. Straighten the legs, plie again. Up and down. 2 more, up and down. Last one. Drop down, pause, keep the heels lifted as we can. And then 3 times, down, lift heels. Down, lift heels. Last one, down, lift, pause. Big inhale. Exhale, straighten, squeeze the inner thighs. Drop down into your 4 starch plie. Straighten, lift high. Drop down, plie. Last one, up. bring it down, pause. 3 more times with our heels. Lower and lift. Lower and lift. Last one. Lift, pause. Straighten and bend. 2 more. Straighten and bend. Last one. Straighten, bend, pause. Take a breath. 5 times heels. Down and up. Down and up. 3 more. Down and up. Down and up. Last one. Lift, pause. Straighten and bend. Straighten and bend. 3 and 2. Last one. Hold right there. Squeeze the inner thighs together. Lift your ears a little higher. Heels down, heels up. Heels down, heels up. Just lower and lift, lower and lift. For 3 and 2. Last one. Beautiful. Set the heels down. Pause. We're actually going to turn all 10 toes to face forward. And I want you to deeply bend your left leg, leaning over. Now, did you see I let my chest move over, almost above my left leg? Take a big inhale. Push yourself all the way up to standing. Take your chest over your hips. And now bend. And again, you might pitch forward just a little bit. Pull the belly button up and in. Straighten. Ooh, if you get a little pop in your hip like I just did, that's okay. Navel to spine. Of course, it's okay if it doesn't hurt. That's what I've always been told by physical therapists and doctors. Pops are okay in the body as long as they don't hurt us. Now, this next time that we go over to the left, pause. If our hands are getting tired and it feels like you're drooping or hunching over, you can always set them on your hips. But if we want to keep them off to the side, that's awesome. Now, I want you to start to rock your weight even more over your left foot and point your right toe. Take a big inhale. 5 times, lift your right toe, drop it down. Exhale, lift and lower. Lift and lower, lift and lower. 2, lift, pause, hold it there. Take a great big breath. Big sigh out. Try to pulse your thigh up to the sky 3 times. We go up 3, 2, 1, hold. Pulse 3, 2, 1, hold. Navel in. 3, 2, 1. Last time. 3, 2, 1. Toe down. Slide yourself up. Bend the right leg, little pitch forward. Point the toe, belly button in, chest open. Exhale up, inhale down. Exhale up, inhale down. Lift and lower, lift and lower. 2, last one, hold. Little pulses. 3, 2, 1, pause. 3, 2, 1, pause. 2 more. 3, 2, 1. Last time. 3, 2, 1. Set the toe down on the ground. Rock your weight back to center. Open the toes wide again. Take your plie. Belly button in. Reach your fingertips further away. Lift your heels nice and high. Take a great big breath. Big sigh out. Now from here, if we can keep our heels lifted, that's great. If we need to set them down, that's okay too. But I want us to drop a little lower, slide the hands in, and then straighten the legs all the way, come out. Drop the legs lower, slide the hands all the way out. Sit deep in your plie, rise right back up. Sit deep in your plie, rise right back up. 3 more down and up. 2 more down and up. Last one. Open up, pause. Inner thighs reach towards one another. Ears lift a little higher. Squeeze your thigh butt connection point with all your might. Take a great big inhale. Big breath out. Drop the heels. Point all 10 toes forward again. Hands wide. Go ahead and bend and rock over to your left side once more, pointing the toe a little bit different. From here, I want you to lift the foot, and then all we're going to do is try and push the heel all the way back behind your hip and drag it off to the side again. Push the toe all the way back, bring it off to the side again. We're doing a little half rond de jambe, taking the leg back and forth. Squeeze your inner thighs as you reach it back. Cinch the waist as you pull it forward. 2 more back and forward. Last one, back and pause. Now, squeeze your thigh a little harder. Wrap the tummy in. Take a big inhale. Pulse your thigh up just like we did to the side. 3, 2, 1, pause. Pulse. 3, 2, 1, pause. 2 more. 3, 2, 1. Last time. 3, 2, 1. Leg over to the side. Touch it down. Slide yourself up. Bend the knees, slide over. Point the toe. Navel to spine, chest open. Lift, hold. We take the leg back behind us. We reach it over to the side. Take the leg back behind you. Reach it over to the side. 3 more. Swim the leg behind you. Pull it back. Swim the leg behind you. Pull it back. Last one. Back and hold. Squeeze your thud. Trim your waist. Reach your fingertips further away. Little pulses. 3, 2, 1. Pause. 3, 2, 1. Pause. 2 more. 3, 2, 1. Last time. 3, 2, 1. Take the leg over. Set it down. Stand tall. Both hands lift nice and high. Exhale, flip the palms, chin to chest, bend the knees, roll all the way down to the ground. Find that lovely forward fold. Nod the head yes. Shake it no. Sway the hips a little side to side. Come on center. Roll yourself all the way up to standing. As always, my friends, give yourself a pat on the back. Thank yourself for doing something so good and just for you. If after this short little barre class we need to stretch, I will be sure to link a fabulous class that will go very well with this right up there somewhere. I hope you enjoy your day. As always, pats on the back.